Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video I've shown you my spring summer haul with dresses and skirts and things like that, all western wear, and like I promised I'm here with a kurti haul or a tunic haul, a fusion wear haul kind of a thing like I promised you in the previous video. So I'm going to share what all I picked up for the spring summer this time, and all of these products I've picked them up from Amazon and they are available at Amazon. The links to all of the products are going to be in the description box down below in case you're interested in any of them. Also, I'm going to leave a link to my Amazon storefront so that you can check out these and more products. And also my previous video I've shown you my current spring summer makeup routine with all of my favorite beauty products, so you can check that out also. I'm going to leave the previous video linked over here and in the description box down below. So the first one that I have is this one that I'm wearing right now. This is a top with 3/4 sleeves. It has bell sleeves, and I think bell sleeves is the theme across all of the tops and tunics that I've picked up this time. All three of them have bell sleeves and I think they're really cute, and they just keep your arms covered from the sun, and also they the design is such that it adds an element of drama. So I really like tops with bell sleeve. They're really quite comfortable. In my previous video I think there were a lot of sleeveless things, but this time I've picked up things with sleeves. And this white top, it has a nice interesting ruffled collar with a tie-up in the front, and the floral print, it is amazing. I really like the contrasting green and pink and red design, the floral design, and it has these leaves and flowers, and it has my favorite monstera leaves also. I've been wanting to buy the monstera plant for so long now, but for now I only have it on my clothes and I'm really happy about that. I really love the design. It is really a comfortable top to wear, and even though it's white, it's not transparent, very comfortable to wear. And yeah, that's about it. You can pair it in a lot of ways. I've worn everything here with my denims, including one of the kurtas that I have. The next tunic top that I have is from Global Desi. This is a maroon tunic top, and it has embroidery over here in the front, small floral details, small flowers that have been embroidered to the front of the top, and it also has these bell sleeves which are really cute. It has this thread detailing here, adds a nice element of drama. A slightly flared bottom, which again makes the wearing experience really comfortable. It is a pure cotton. It's very cool and comfortable to wear, and it looks fabulous with denims. The next one that I have is this tunic from Rangriti, and I think I have picked up the wrong size. It is a little tight on me, just a little bit, so I'm going to exchange it for the next size. This is a slightly long kurti, like it comes till your butt, and it has embroidery in the front at the top. This is all embroidery, and on the sleeves and at the bottom of the tunic it has print, and the print is also really cute. It has these floral motifs and horses at the bottom, which again is a really nice thing. I'm just quickly going to exchange it for a bigger size from Amazon, and this is why I love shopping on Amazon, because the exchanges, the returns, all of these things are really hassle free. Just at the click of a button you can return or exchange something. You can change the size. From the shopping to the returns and exchanges, the whole experience is very seamless, and you don't really need to worry about your money getting stuck in case you are returning something. So I really like shopping on Amazon, and a lot of times, mostly on weekends and around festivals, special occasions, they have great sales running. A lot of times I've shown you my steal deals from Amazon, and the whole experience of shopping, returning, exchanging, everything, getting your refunds is really seamless, and you really don't need to worry about anything. Next is a kurta, and at the time of shopping I did not know that this kurta is a reversible one. I was pleasantly surprised by the fact that it is a reversible kurta when I received it. It is a really cool, comfortable cotton kurta with a nice striped pattern throughout, and these are not just printed, these are 3D. I can feel the threads over here, although it's not embroidered, but it's not a plain printed kurta. There is texture to the threads across the body of the kurta. It has 2 buttons in the front, and this is what it looks like. And that's the front, and this is the back. The kurta is from Aurelia, and you can also, so this is the inside technically, but you know, if you reverse it, it comes on the outside, and you get 2 kurtas in one. If you reverse it, this is what the second kurta looks like. You know, you can iron it properly and wear it, and it's a very, very cool concept. I think, you know, sometimes when I go to my mom's place, she's always complaining that I just carry 1 or 2 dresses with me, because my mom stays near my place and sometimes I just go for one night. So next time I'm going to go there, I am going to take this with me so that I have 2 dresses together. Last but not the least, I have this long anarkali type of dress, kurta dress from Aurelia again. 2 things I've picked up from Aurelia. One is this blue one, and the other is the previous kurta that I've shown to you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's a really, really comfortable fabric, pure cotton. I'm sorry, this is inside out right now. So yeah, this is the kurta, and it has detailing on the neck in the front, and it has some buttons here in the front, and it closes till you know, the waist part, and then it has a long slit, and for that it comes with its own lining. This is also inside out. I was shooting and I quickly sat down to shoot this part too. So it comes with its own lining on the inside, matching with the kurta, and you have to first wear this, and then you wear the outer jacket kurta kind of a thing. And you can wear it with golden pants, you can wear it with mustard pants, you can also wear it with white pants. There are a lot of ways in which you can style it. Wear some nice silver jhumkis along, and you are ready for summers. I think this is, you know, one of my favorite hauls in a long time. I really love all of the things that I've purchased, and all of them are you know, perfect for this time of the year. It's suddenly really hot here in Delhi, and these are the kind of clothes that I like to wear during this time of the year when I'm wearing you know, Indian wear, or planning to wear a fusion like a kurti and denims, you know, a tunic or denims, and all of these things I really, really enjoyed shopping for them. Amazon has a great variety of more such things. I'm going to leave the links to all of the products as usual in the description box down below. And yeah, that's about it. That's my shopping experience. That's my shopping haul from Amazon for spring summer. As and when I shop for more summer styles, I'm going to share with you in the coming weeks, and I am really excited to bring to you my summer hauls next, because it's got really hot here. So that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Links to all of the products and my Amazon storefront are going to be in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.